Good afternoon, sir. I am Hannah Felixabeth G. Abal, your second year BS IT student and the subject ITC TOEIC 6. Now, this is the my system architecture diagram, which is the student data hub, the enrollment system, the library system, attendance monitoring system, and payment system. Now, the integration method that is used in each system is here on the enrollment system. It uses database integration or shared database to ensure all system pulls student data from one source. Here is the library system. It uses API or application programming interface to check book availability in real time. Next is the attendance monitoring system. It uses webhooks to send real-time updates whenever a teacher marks attendance. And lastly, the payment system. It uses Bank API or e-wallet API to verify and updates payment status. Now, Student Data Hub. The Student Data Hub is a centralized system that collects, integrates, and manages student-related data from multiple sources within an educational institution. It provides a unified view of student records. Colleges and universities improve decision-making, streamline administrative tasks, and enhance student support services. Now, an API or the application programming interface allows two different applications to talk to each other and exchange data, while a webhook that I mentioned earlier on the attendance monitoring is automatically sends a data updates from one system to another whenever an event happens instead of waiting for a request like an API. Now, the solution. The solution for the step-by-step solutions for the four integration issues is first here on the enrollment system. The first solution is check before creating a new account. When a student signs up, the system should check if the name, birthday, or student number already exists. Second is use a student ID for verification. Require students to enter their student number during registration. If it matches an existing record, they use that account instead of making new ones to avoid duplication. Third is auto-merge duplicate accounts. If two accounts have the same student number or birthday, the system will combine them into one profile after confirmation. And lastly, confirm with students. If there's still confusions, admin or school staff will review and correct these mistakes. Now, next is the fixing library borrowing conflicts. Book shows as available even when already borrowed. Now, the first solution is instant update on book borrowing. As soon as a student borrows a book, the system updates the status to borrowed. Second is use a lock system. When a student selects a book to borrow, the system temporarily marks it as reserved until checkout is complete. Third is prevent overlapping transaction. If two students try to borrow the same book at the same time, the system should allow only one transaction and show an alert for the second student. Fourth is sync data in real time. If there are delays in update book availability, make sure the system refreshes the status every few seconds. Third is the attendance monitoring system. Now, the problem is attendance updates take hours to reflect. The first solution is use real-time updates. When a teacher marks attendance, the system instantly sends the update instead of waiting for batch processing. Second is send small updates instead of large ones. Instead of processing attendance for all students at once, update attendance for each class as soon as it is recorded. Third is allow offline mode. If the system is slow or the internet's down, teachers can still record attendance offline and it will sync when the connection is back. Fourth is set a time limit for syncing. If an update takes longer than 5 minutes, the system will alert an admin to fix the issue. Now, lastly is the fixing payment verification delays. The first, some students' payments do not reflect instantly. The first solution is connect directly to the bank or e-wallet. The system should check payments in real time instead of waiting for daily updates. Second, retry failed transactions. If a payment does not go through, the system will try again after a few minutes. Third is allow manual upload of proof of payment. If there is delay, student can upload a screenshot of their payment for quick verification. Fourth is send notification. If a payment is still not confirmed after a certain time, the system will notify the student and the school admin. Now, for these four is the error handling strategies to prevent system failures is show clear error message. Instead of just saying error, the system should explain what went wrong. Example is payment failed, please try again. You've added an apostrophe in the middle of your name, please try again. Second is retry automatically. If an action fails, like saving attendance, the system should try again before giving up. Third is have a backup system. If the internet goes down, students and teachers should still be able to use the system offline. Fourth, log every error. Keep a record of every issue so developers can fix the problem quickly. Last is ask for user confirmation. Before making big changes like merging accounts, ask the user to confirm to avoid mistakes. Now for the enrollment system, send student data to that student data hub. Library system updates book borrowing records in real time to the student data hub. Attendance monitoring system updates records every 5 minutes to student data hub. Payment system updates student balance instantly to student data hub.